Wow, this show is really funny. I think I'll...
Levi, thank gosh you're here. Listen, Levi, I had some bad news. It seems that GUN and the president is going to take all our money and our house away.
What? Why the hell are they doing this to us?
Because that fat ass son of a bitch known as Dr. Eggman has been making so many robots and everything, and they're suing us as a lawsuit. He's trying to take our house and equipment away from us.
Eggman, that cocksucking bitch. There's no way we are living on the streets again. We need to get everyone here right now.
You're right. Hey everybody, there's a reason why I gathered you all here. The reason why I gathered you all because we're gonna lose our house and our equipment and money. What? Bro, how is this happening? Because Dr. Eggman is working on everything and he's putting a lawsuit against all of us. And we won't be able to pay that lawsuit if we don't do something against Eggman. Oh my fucking god. That little fuckface. Anyway, we need a plan. We're gonna need something to do. So, does anyone have something? Hold on, Kays. Me, Lola, and Mika were planning to wake somebody up to stop Eggman. But we won't be there to help you assassinate Eggman. So, good luck for you guys. We'll meet you when you have the chance, okay? Okay. So me, Levi, Oblivion, Siles, and Brittany will go after Eggman while you guys wake her up. Good luck. I'll be rooting for you all.
While talk about brotherly love. Ha 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 ha.
Levi, please remind me to kill Oblivion when we get back. So this is Eggman's base. Could have been bigger than I imagined. Siles, scan the place to see what's going on.
Judging on the location and the place, it seems that this place has been abandoned, and according to this, I'm detecting one life unit inside here. Judging on the place, it seems that someone is attacking this place or taking over the place.
If Eggman is inside there, it's best that we separate to look for him.
Levi's right. We don't even know what's gonna happen in there, so it's best that we prepare our weapons.
Yeah, it's true. Me and Siles is gonna go in the left center. You three go to the right center. Alright then. Mission start! Right now! Whoa! This place is really high tech. I've never seen anything like this before. Anyway, Siles, have you scanned the place for anything yet?
Well, yeah, I still detect Eggman's presence inside the base, but it seems to be that he's down somewhere. And wait a minute, Kays. I'm detecting multiple life forms here, and one of them is coming near us. Whoever this is, stand your ground, Kays. Whoever this is, it's like nobody we ever seen before. Kays, Nightwind, and Siles technology located. You will be exterminated.
Darklin, get down!
You won't escape. You will be exterminated. Exterminate. Exterminate.
Levi, where the hell did all these guys came from?
I don't know. But less talking, more fighting.
Well, I can't do that. So make like a tree and fuck off.
That's it. When this is over, I'm going to shove your whole body in nuclear acid and slice your entire body in pieces.
Damn it, guys, will you guys shut the fuck up?
Alright, I think we lost them. I don't understand. What are Dirklings even doing in the base?
It appears to be that the Darklings must have invaded the place before we all came in here. It seemed that multiple Darkling soldiers must have entered here. I don't know what happened, but I think Eggman called them here for reinforcements. They must have did this when we were planning this. Fucking hell, that fat-ass son of a bitch. When I find him, I'm gonna use my AK-47 and my new robot functions to blast his entire egg face to the next black hole.
Whoa, calm down, Siles. I do want to kick his ass as well. But right now, we gotta focus on the main priority. I sent Eggman in the next room. So you can do whatever you want with him after we convert him. So, let's do this. For the Wind Shacks!
What the fuck are? No. We meet again, Case Nightwind.
Dr. Eggman, it seems that we meet again. Nevertheless. But anyway, I know you're doing this just to get Loris here. Do you really think you're gonna join forces with the Darklings to handle my friends? I know you're trying to do this, but you got too far.
It seems that you figure me out, but it doesn't matter. My greatest creations is taking care of your friends, and if you're thinking it's impossible, you're wrong, because I have a trump card.
A trump card? What are you talking about? What? How is the heck? How in the hell did you turn super unless... I think I know how.
Yeah, he must be using the energy of the 7 Chaos Emeralds somewhere in the base, and I'm afraid this thing isn't good.
Yeah, I'm smart, but I'm powerful too. Now, it's time to reach for you.
Something tells me that we need an idea fast or we're gonna be done for. But doesn't matter, we have Crystal Fire mode, so let's do this!
Right. Eggman, we're gonna stop you no matter what!
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand.